Okay guys, so I found this recipe on how to make keto churros. So basically it's just a healthier version of churros. And I thought, wow, I haven't had churros in years. So for those of you who are missing the Mexican type donuts, they usually sell them at amusement parks as long stick-like, and you just bite the end off and eat them. They're really good. They're kind of like a brown sugar and cinnamon type flavor. But anyway, I saw this recipe. I'm trying it out right now to see if it even works. I have no idea if it works. This may be awful. This may be good. Okay? So come on in close and watch me do it. The single recipe is down below. I'm doubling it. That's for half a cup. I'm doing a cup of cheese. As for 1 egg, I'm doing 2 eggs. Oh, so I've got to double this too. I didn't realize that. Yeah, I'm going to double this. Hold on. See if it works. Here's your cheese. By the way, I'm going to be changing the set to where we can shoot downward. You can see everything I'm doing in the bowl. But there's the cheese, so I don't have to keep tipping it. Okay? We're going to put the 2 eggs in there. Okay. Now, they say to use this later on, sprinkle it on, all that stuff, but I'm putting it in the mix. Because I feel putting in the mix would taste better than... There we go. I sprayed a little bit with some non-stick. Okay, we're going to take now half our mixture and put it on the waffle maker. There we go. Sounds pretty hot to me. This should make 2 of them. So we'll leave that for later. Take this down now. Alright, this is smelling really good. It's starting to puff up a little bit. I'm not touching it. But you'll see where it's oozing out a little bit. I may have put a little bit too much batter. So we'll put a little less on the next one. We're going to do 2 of them, okay? And just let things kind of cool and solidify. And then we'll pull it out. We'll try it and see if it's worth it. It's not even close, I'm going to tell you. It's not even close. But man, it smells really good. It's got cinnamon and sugar. That's what it smells like. Okay, I have a feeling this ain't going to turn out well. Just the texture alone doesn't feel like a churro. It smells like a churro, doesn't look like a churro. So, I've got one here that I've already, the first one I did, okay? And I put a little less batter in the second one, so I have 2 of them. So let's give this a try. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Okay, I would use these, remember the, what is that McDonald's McGriddle? This would be perfect. Put a little sugar-free syrup on here, put a sausage patty on here, put some egg on here, and you've got a McGriddle keto version. I'd make a whole bunch of these and put them in the fridge and just warm them up when I need them. This is really good. Oh, yeah. Wow. I thought it was going to taste like egg or cheese. Neither one. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next episode. You got to try this. If you have one of these, if you don't have one of these, they're like $10. Excuse me. Spitting all over the place. They're like $10. I love you. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.